Today I show you how to select one word on your iPhone and also how to change the selection from that word to something more, multiple words or some extra space or other characters. I will show you how to do this in the Notes app. I'll type something just to have some text to show you here. It doesn't really matter. I'm using the voice typing to simply record something. I don't know if this is good or not. Yeah, at least it's made some kind of a sentence. I like that. Okay. So we have some text here that we want to copy. I want to select the word using here, and the easiest way to select a word on your iPhone is to double tap on this word, and then you can use these handlebars to select more of the text. You can even have a magnifying glass like that. So I could select using the, and I'm using the, for example, and then I can copy this text if I want to. I'll show you another way to do this. I double tap on the word, but then I use two fingers. So I tap with two fingers on my iPhone and then drag like this from left to right. You see, it's really like magical. So I could go from for example, I'm using, and it matters if you tap on the left side or the right side or on the text. So it's going to select more of the text like this. I'm using the voice, and then I can copy it. I can paste it here. I could do this with any word, so I could start this selection, expand the selection, and from the left or right, so I could change even the word to record. But here it's easier if you tap on this word, if you double tap on this word, if you want to select another word, simply double tap on the next one, that's all. Most of the time it's easier to use these handles, especially with the magnifying glass, that you set the precision like that, but you can combine the gestures. You can use one or the other whenever you like, and you can copy or cut them. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you use text editing apps more efficiently on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.